Good day, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, depending on where you are watching from. This day, I want to talk about what is going on in Nigeria today. In the first instance, I want to talk about the intrigues, the political intrigues currently going on in the country. The way the rest of Nigerians have decided to treat Igbo, especially when it comes to giving them what rightly belongs to them. It is a well-known fact already that Igbo has been denied of everything you can think of in Nigeria. Talk of amenities, infrastructures, power, political appointments, and it is worse under this government, Buhari APC government. This time around, despite all the cries, all the hues and cries all over the country, the political elite, the powers that be, have decided to make sure that they deny Igbo the opportunity to produce Buhari's successor. You can see what I'm saying in the way the APC and PDP are going about their selection or election process. You can see it in the way even the media, the mainstream media, are treating the Igbos. The other day, Mr. P2B, one of the foremost contenders in PDP for the presidential ticket, he visited London, he visited UK, United Kingdom, visited the Prime Minister, and you can see the way the mainstream media are treating that visit with lethargy. Complete media blackout. Today, I was thinking about the way Autumn, that is Governor Autumn of Benue State, who had been crying for the past 8 years as the governor of Benue State about the killings going on in Benue State against his people by the Fulanis. Unfortunately or fortunately, this same Autumn was given the opportunity as the head of selection. That is the team that will recommend zoning. He was the head of the zoning committee of PDP. And this same man, knowing fully well that his decision will favor Atiku, went ahead. Atiku is a Fulani, you should know. Went ahead to still throw the zoning process open so that Atiku will clinch it. And before you know it now, he will start to cry again that Fulanis are killing them. What has the Igbo man done against the people? That Fulanis has not done 20 times or more against the people. That they will not think, they will not put on their thinking cap and do something right for the first time in this country. I will leave you here for now. I'll still come back for more. Thank you.